Yo, welcome. Kind of I don't know how to set this thing up. I need to bring my tripod tomorrow for this car because I keep forgetting that I need to set it up properly here. But this is how I'm gonna do the video, man. Just gonna hold it like this. Just a little quick video. Yeah. I think I already broke it down on my TikTok. But this trade did show me that this, I mean, I've been seeing trades and this strategy does work, but I'm seeing it now. Obviously it shows me it works, but it hasn't hit TP yet. This is on gold because gold had no structure. It was just pushing up the whole time, but I'm finally seeing now that it's actually working out. And yeah, man, there was a time where it broke a level of buyers indicated and it failed to go up, made equal highs, then just dropped, broke a level. It didn't indicate back to that initial level where we had buyers. So now I saw it correct above this level where buyers were sitting, and then now it started correcting. I entered the trade like last week. Okay, I didn't enter, I was like forward testing, but I would have entered last week and almost got stopped out, like so close getting to, okay, so close, like this close to getting stopped out. And then price just ended up respecting the trend and then market structure and then continued its way down. And now, yeah, price is pushing down now. It's like New York session, or it's been 30 minutes since New York session started, and then now it's pushing down pretty well. So there is a level of buys where it is, so I'm looking to enter off of that position. I'll add the video here in this. I'll just edit it together and then put it together. But yeah, like it's so crazy because it's so simple. Like you just gotta wait, bro. You just like literally gotta wait for these quality setups. And I knew price was gonna end up pushing down. That I knew that we're changing the trend and I'll be reversing because it's been buying. Of course it's gonna get fatigued and eventually decide to switch trends. But yeah, man, it's just like waiting and putting your hands on behind your back. I keep saying on your, but it's behind your back, or sitting on your hands and not doing anything and just allowing price to do what it needs to do, man. And yeah, it's a Monday. It's a good day. I felt good this morning. But you know, it's getting to work is that bad vibes. But then I'm like, you know what? I could just be just like them, or just focus on my shit and just be me. Because I'm grateful that I have a job. Also, that's also what reminded me and what changed my moods. Like, yeah, I should be grateful that I have a job because I'm still able to go to work, and save money. It's the first month. Setting aside capital for the live account, which is gonna be traded next year, which will mark a year that I've been into trading. So I'm focusing on that. That's my goal. I just need to get as much capital as I can, save as much capital, so when I move back to that account I am ready. Because right now what I'm doing is I'm learning on the side, and I am, what's this, I'm learning on the side and using a prop firm though, because I feel like I am confident in in my trading, but I obviously don't want to risk that money that I'm saving because it's not much. So I'd rather risk the capital that I save, knowing that okay, that month I've set aside money, and I'm just gonna chill. Like I'm not gonna focus on like trading to make money to pay bills or whatever the case is, because that shit really fucked me up. Because now you lose that little bit of money, now you gotta sacrifice, now you gotta eat noodles and whatever, and it's kind of crazy, man. So yeah, so that's it, man. Like just wanted to have a quick breakdown. I'm very confident in my setup. I'm trusting my system every day, even more and more. I'm not slowing down whatsoever, and I don't feel the urge to even change strategies, because it's like, why do I need, I've got like the most basic tools you could use in TradingView. I don't use a lot of tools. I probably use like 4 if you include the position tools, but nah, it's actually 3, yeah, including them. I just use the rays and the rectangles. That's it. And then the position tools. That's all I use. And just keep it simple, man. Just really gotta keep it simple. And I would have so many blocks and fair value gaps, rectangles, lines, trend lines, bro, and then your chart just looks fucking disgusting, bro. Like, yo, how do you guys even see through that shit? Like, I can't see anything through. I couldn't see basically what price was doing, because now at the end of the day, when you keep putting all those tools and stuff, you end up hiding price, and then you can't see what you're supposed to see. So many horizontal lines to mark support and resistance. Like, nah, bro, you don't really need so much. And I'm so like, I'm just at a better spot mentally. Like I'm in a much better spot mentally. I'm more confident in my setups. I'm more confident in reading price. And it's like, what more do you want, bro? So just keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. So this trade, yeah, I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. And then yeah, you guys just watch it, and yeah, like I said, just keep it simple. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, that's the video for today. So on gold, price on German 30 didn't really do much, but I'm gonna go back on Monday. I'm gonna go back home and then do that analysis on that, and explain what I was seeing. Because price now is just, it's correct. It was in the correction phase, so now it corrected heavy. So now I'm waiting for it to go back above the sellers level, then take it back to the highs. So potentially hold that trade. So price is probably setting us up for a nice swing trade. It's gonna be a good one. But yeah, that's it for me, man. Signing out and then over to the charts. So as you can see, this setup is about to play out. I actually entered somewhere here, like on the 22nd, and I thought it was gonna stop me out, but it didn't, thank God. And then it just pushed down again. So it's giving us consistent low highs. This is the 1 hour, by the way. So obviously I only look on the 4 hour, 1 hour. So obviously ICC, that's basically what you need to be doing. But you see now it's pushing down now. I don't know if it's gonna target this level where it's gonna bounce off of, where it had hella strong buys, because it started pushing down, then it broke above, and then yeah. But if not, that's fine. Then we're just gonna mark this out. I normally mark the wicks out. I don't know if I'm right to do that, but that's how I learned lows and highs and whatever. Then initially, ideally we're gonna target this low where there's probably better buys, and I'm targeting here based off risk to reward, because I only aim for 104s. So if price ends up breaking through this level of buys and correcting back inside, so it breaks through, corrects, and then we have a continuation probably tomorrow or something, then chances are I'm gonna enter more positions. But yeah, so far so good.